Hello everyone. Today's topic is case-based integrated learning. Learning is endless. An effective learning depends on the way we learn. The integrated learning is one of the effective ways to learn where the concepts of two and more subjects are linked to each other. To illustrate case-based integrated learning involving the concepts of mathematics and science, let us consider a real-life situation, maritime drills. This real life represents some naval practices in the sea. Some military exercises are being carried out by the navies of two countries jointly in the Indian Ocean. For these two warships, namely A and B, are located 90 meters apart from each other in the ocean. The warship A is located at the station 1 and the warship B at the station 2. Now, there are two drills to be carried out. In the first case, if the two warships starting from their respective stations at the same time go in the same direction, they meet each other in 9 seconds. In the second case, if they starting from their respective stations at the same time go in the opposite direction, they meet in 9/7 seconds. Assuming the two warships move with the uniform speed, let x meter per second and y meter per second with the speed of A and B respectively. Now we shall explain the two situations where the two warships drill, the warship A and warship B move in the same directions, means they may meet each other something at this point, and when they meet each other, they meet in 9 seconds, right? When both warships are moving in opposite directions, they meet somewhere at this point in 9/7 seconds. Now, can you tell which concept is used in this real life situation? Obviously, this is distance, time, speed, and this concept is linked to both mathematics and science. So we call this is a integrated learning. Now, let us answer some questions. Question number 1. Can you express the situation algebraically when both warships move in the same direction? Choose the correct option. A. X plus y equal to 10. B. X minus 1 equal to 10. C. X minus 1 equal to 8. D. X plus y equal to 12. Okay. Let us answer. Warship A and warship B, they are moving in the same directions. They meet each other in 9 seconds. So when they move in the same directions, means A moves from here to there, B moves from here to there, and this is meeting point. Suppose it. We know the speed of A is x meter per second, the speed of B is y meter per second. Since both move 9 seconds, so the distance traveled by A is 9x. So this is your 9x, and distance traveled by B is 9y, and 9x minus 9y means distance 9x from here to there, 9y from here to there. So if you subtract from this to this, the remaining 90 meter. So this 9x minus 9y equal to 90. On solving, you can find that x minus y equal to 10. So this is your option B. Question number 2. Represent the situation algebraically when both the warships move in the opposite direction. Choose the correct option. First option A. X minus y equal to 90. B. X plus y equal to 10. C. X minus y equal to 70. D. X plus y equal to 70. Let us answer. since they move in opposite directions, means B moves towards the direction, A moves towards the direction. So they meet each other somewhere at this point. So we know that the distance between A and B is 90 meters. The speed of A is x meter per second. The speed of B is 1 meter per second. Since they move in opposite direction and they meet each other in 9/7 seconds, that means that A moves a distance of 9/7 x, B moves a distance of 9/7 y. This distance plus this distance equal to 90 meter, obviously, because distance between two warship is 90 meter. So our equation is very clear. 9/7 x plus 9/7 y equal to 90 meter. On solving, we can find that x plus y equal to 70. So your option D is correct. Right? Now the question number 3. What are the speeds of two warships? Okay, let us answer this question. From situation 1, the equation is x minus 1 equal to 10. From 2, x plus y equal to 17. Just look at, this is a pair of linear equations in two variables. So on solving, we can find that x equal to 40 and y equal to 30. This means that the speed of the warship A is 40 meter per second and the speed of the warship B is 30 meter per second. Now question 4, this is your last question. Consider the following situation. If the speed of each of the warships is increased by 10 meter per second and both move in the opposite direction, then after how much time they will meet each other? So let us explain and answer to this question. So as per our question, they move in the opposite direction, means B moves towards this, A moves towards this. Here your speed is increased by 10 meter per second. That means the speed of the warship A now becomes 40 plus 10 equal to 50 meter per second. The speed of the warship B now becomes 30 plus 10 equal to 40 meter per second. A moves 50 meter in 1 second. B moves 40 meter in 1 second. So 50 plus 40 is 90 meter completed. So obviously you can say that in 1 second they will meet each other. So the answer is 1 second. So now I expect all have learned something. If you have any queries, please comment in my comment box. Thank you so much for watching my video.